Okay, raise your hand if you have a fear of being in the spotlight, like the thought of being in the spotlight. Okay, again, this side of the room is for you. So this is just a thought that occurred to me one day. If you've got the fear of being in the spotlight, or you know somebody who does, consider this as a possibility. You are the spotlight. Yeah? Forget about being in the spotlight or not. You are the spotlight. And then my question to you is, what is it you want to shine your light on? What is it you want to illuminate for the world? Should I be in the spotlight? Shouldn't I be in the spotlight? Do I want to be in the spotlight? I just recommend dropping that whole line of questioning. You already are that. So what do you want people to see that they don't see? You have a chance to illuminate something. I just think that's a more useful orientation, because otherwise it's about us. It's me, 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 me. And that is, I don't know if you've noticed, that's an endless thing, the me, me, me racket. There's no bottom to our endless fascination with ourselves.